We thank you for gathering us all today in this important endeavor. We ask you to bestow your guidance and blessing upon each attendee. May we honor one another by keeping an open mind. Bless everyone present today that each and every one may be filled with love. Grant good health and safety to loved ones left outside this room, and bestow peace and goodwill to all of us. We ask for your wisdom and grace to use our talents for the betterment of others. May the various activities related to this day be a success through your intervention. With gratitude, we offer this prayer in your name. Amen. Course. Pagkatapos ng 4 na linggo, ang ating certificate will come out. Yeah! Ang certificate na ito ay nanggagaling sa OWA. So first things first, alam ko naman na kilala nyo na. This is one of the basic tools that we surely need aside from the sewing machine. Yes. Okay? So this is the sewing machine. This is also, I would not forget to tell you the good news that this is financed by SMS. Yeah! Okay? Palakpak naman dyan! So we also have the patterns. We also have the patterns. No. So now, this is the one tool that is basically needed sa patpakan ko. Needle. Okay? So we will have a hand needles and a machine needles. So hand needles. Pasensya na guys, hindi nagpa-function yung aking ano, kaya anyway, mag-flashback na lang ulit. And now we have the marking tools. I have here, this is my kit. Nag-provide ako ng akin. Okay? This is the marking tool. But here, meron din siya dito. Ito. Okay? Yes, we call it the chalk, the garment chalk, or dressmaker's chalk. Marking tools. It can be called a chalk fabric marking pen or a chalk marker. Okay? So this is the chalk marking pen. Ito siya. At ito yung chalk marker na. Ito siya. Okay? Yeah. Medyo social ako. Social eh. Okay. Pen ang akin. So you have to know the differentiation. Okay? That's the marking tools. Now the bobbin. The bobbin is very important. Okay? So ito yun siya. Kung saan bago mag-ano yung thread na ilalagay mo sa under niya. Okay? Now the binder clips. I had a difficulty of finding a binder clip. Binder clips usually is like made of plastic. Pero nag-DIY na lang ako. Ang binder clips ay nilalagay sa material para hindi siya tumatakbo-takbo. So, ito yung aking the seam ripper, panastas. Seam ripper, thread snips. And the thread snips. Okay. Now, we have the pin cushion. Yung cushion is this. Cutter. Ate Alma called it a pizza cutter. Ate Alma. Pag gumagawa tayo ng pattern, ito yung gagawin natin. Para ma-try. Okay? Guide. Para okay? So, we have, you call it cutter guide. Okay. Now, we have the sewing machine. Yes. Sewing machine. The cutting board. I have a cutting board but I didn't bring it at A2. Kasi, bakit importante rin ang cutting board? Para yun namang lamesa mo, hindi mabubugbugin ng iyong asawa, sinira mo na ang lamesa niyo. So, we have a mat. Yes. Kung saan ilalagay mo doon at mag-cut ka, mag-gunting ka, mag-roll-roll ka nito, it's okay. Yun ang tinatawag na ating cutting board. So, yung cutting board natin is only A2. Next week ko na tayo. Ito yung gagawin nating tote bag. Ito yung mga accessories. Tayo na yung mag-disenyo. Courtesy of Miss Muna Pag-ibig. Special delivery. We also need our ng allowance on both sides sa panaklahe. Okay? So this is a 38, we make it into 14. Always 1 and 1 here. So there are 2 inches apart na allowance. So you always have to know how to basically use your ruler. Okay? So this is one of the tools that we have to learn how to use it. We will not exceed to throw a material. Okay? So at least papel pa lang siya. Okay? Pag nakat niya, pwede ka lang i-diretso siya. Yung kung malaki, pwede nga rin maliitin. So you have to take all the sizes that you prefer. Okay? So dapat, basically, dito sa learning na to, lahat tayo pantay-pantay. When we say the 38, you should follow the 38. When we say the 40, you have to submit the size 40. Pero kaya lang gugupitin kasi ito yung yung sa kabang. Ang bravo ate, yung talaga dalawa ate. 2 centimeter. Direct manaki, depende sa inyo kasi pagkakabitan pa natin na handle niya, yung sling niya. Ito pagkakabitan pa natin. Pwede itinapan niyo kung gusto niyo. Depende para matibay. Pwede sinuhin. Tapos may ganon para yung handle niya. Ganon nila. Mabigat. Kasi mabigat kasi. Tayo kasi mga Pinay, mahilig sa agaran-agaran. Pag may birthday, pang Sharon, palata. Kaya dapat, tote bag para sa Sharon. Okay? Ayun ang advance niya. Sa Pinas, useful din yan kasi ano siya. Hindi na allowed ang plastic. Kasi hindi na ng plastic sa Pinas eh. Marami akong yan. Kaya kailangan may mga ganyan pa sa Pinas pag marami. Sabi ko sa inyo, ang pinakamatalino ang dressmaker. So matatalino tayo. Ito yan, full side. 6. O kaya gawin naman po ng kontra. Okay, so we have 7 over here for the handle. Gawin nyo na 7 para yung handle. Nag-fold pa. Yan yung Christian Dior. Ayan yung gray. Ito yung officer. Wow. Uwi ka naman. Okay. Bye-bye. Sisi ko lalagyan ko lang. Ako ang maalis. Para yung paglulupian nyo ba? O para pauli sa masisira? Ayun, buhol-buhol yung pag-uli. Galit siya. Leave it. Don't bring outside. Yes. Pag dinala niyo sabay, kayo lang matuto. Yes. Kasama exactly. Haram. Haram anjan. Anjan haram. Babaran. Pero pwede pa yan lagyan ng discount. Pwede ilagyan ng allowance. Depende sa size. Kasi ngayon, ito yung bibigyan kakabit. Ikabit nyo muna para matibay-tibay. Ngayon, bago tayo yung fit. Ikakabit ko lang ng 5 and a half. Pero depende lang nilagyan mo ng marking. Ito anong size, ito anong size. We need that. Kada front by size. Yan talaga yung kanilang kanya. Ang distance. Ano niya? 80 centimeter. Ang laki 7. Ang distance niya 7. Hindi, ang laki bang kapal. Oo, kalapad. Oo. 7. Parang bago kabit. Ano na lang. Bago kabit. Na-fold na siya. Na-fold na yun. Kaya lang, hindi ko pwede. Lagyan na allowance. 7. Na-fold na yan. Parang tatahiin muna ng plus. Sa Sunday, ang actual dapat may number. Yung sa lang. Ito diretso. Yung mga hiwi ang kunyong din, makapag-ulit. Ulit na yan. Ayaw